We want to get information about the Meibogam gland shape and morphology, and so the laws in case. And we have a device, a module to do that. So I can create a folder and select here the Meibography here, and ask the patient to look up. Fantastic. And I can reverse the lower lid in order to have the image of the glands here, and I can acquire simply pushing the button on the joystick. Well, I can change the setting here. For example, now the system have a set to increase the contrast or the brightness of the glands, but I can remove it because I imagine that with this patient I don't need it, so I can once again reverse. Please look up, reverse the lower lid, and in fact, indeed, the quality of the glands are already good, so I can acquire again and have a comparison between the acquisition with disabling the contrast enhancement or with the contrast enhancement on, and indeed the quality is already good. So you can see the shape of the Meibogam glands in the infrared, near infrared setting. So after meibography, we can analyze the Meibogam gland loss with this specific device. So let's have a look how to do that. Okay, here you have the image of the patients, and on the left side you have a grading scale of the pooled grading scale. So I can select a grade from the grading scale, for example, degree 1, degree 2, and so on. But there is also another way to grade the Meibogam gland loss, so with a manual assessment. So first of all, I have to select the entire area of the assessment in which, so the area in which I want to get the assessment. Then I can select here with a dot here the area of the loss in this way manually. It's a little bit longer, but maybe can be more accurate, and I can select here the area, and once I finish I can read the loss in terms of percentage on the left side. So sometimes the percentage can be equal to what is possible to do by a comparison with a template or not. Finally, I can have a comparison system. I think it's quite important to compare, for example, because in modern times you can have, for example, a pulsar light treatment for improve the vitality of Meibogam gland, and so I can look if there is some change in after a treatment. Finally, I can print the outputs of what I'm seeing. And I can store this output on hard copy or on PDF.